quiet heart of a winter forest, there lived a small pine cone named Lumi. Lumi was smaller than the other pine cone and not as perfectly shaped. The bigger pine cone would laugh and say, "You are too tiny. No one will ever choose you for Christmas decoration." But Lumi had a big dream. Every winter, Lumi watched families walk through the forest, collecting pine cones to decorate their homes for Christmas. The cones who were chosen were polished, painted, and placed on glittering Christmas trees. They would watch children smile and warm. Lights sparkle around them. Lumi whispered to the wind, "Oh, how I wish someone would choose me. I want to bring you joy, too." Days passed, snow fell heavy in the forest. The large pine cones were collected and taken away. But Lumi remained on the ground, half covered in snow, unseen. One cold evening, a little girl named Clara walked through the forest with her green mother. Clara's cheeks were pink from the cold, and her mittened hands were tiny. They were collecting pine cones from Christmas decoration, but Clara suddenly stopped. Something small caught her eye. She brushed the snow away, and there was Lumi. Not big, not perfect, not something about Lumi felt special. Soft, gentle, strangely warm. "Grandma," Clara said, "I want this one." Her grandmother smiled kindly. "A wonderful choice, my dear. The most beautiful things are not always the perfect one." They look Lumi home. Clara cleaned the little pine cone, gently dried it by the warm fireplace. The brush its tips with white paint, like snowflakes frizzling after a long journey. Then she tied a tiny red ribbon to the top and placed a small golden bell at the center. When Clara hung Lumi on the Christmas tree, the lights caught the glitter, the gold bell, the snowy paint, and Lumi sparkle. The whole family glowed softly around him. For the first time, Lumi felt seen, felt loved, felt beautiful. And the Christmas night, as music played, the laughter filled the room. Lumi understood something important. You don't have to be perfect to bring joy. You must have to be loved and give love in return. Moral: true beauty is not being perfect, but in being appreciated for who you are. So now let's talk about pinecone. Welcome to the pinecone world. Today we are stepping in a world where simple things become magical, where nature gently whispers creativity into our hands. Today we are learning pinecone Christmas decoration, a craft that brings warmth, tradition, and love into our festive home. Before we begin, take a deep breath. Feel the calmness of the season, the glow of soft golden lights, the cool scent of winter air, and the gentle joy of togetherness. Let's begin our journey. Pine cones. They fall silently from the tall, evergreen trees, simple, natural, humble, yet full of possibility. They have been used in winter decorations for centuries, not because they are expensive, not because they are perfect, but because they feel like Christmas. Their texture reminds us of snowy forest. Their fragrance whisper of winter. And today we are going to turn these pine cones into handmade Christmas pieces filled with love, care, and creativity. Here's what we need: pine cone, any size you love, hot glue gun or white craft glue, jute rope or ribbon, acrylic paint, white or glitter paint, small decorative beads, pearl or bells, tiny pieces of artificial green, your dried leaves. And most importantly, your patience and your smile. You need to rush. This is not just crafting, this is art made with heart. Take your pine cone in your hands, look at the details, the layers, the natural pattern, the beautiful texture. If there is dust, gently brush it off. Now imagine how you want your decoration to look. Do you want it rustic, simple, and natural, no, or sparkling, glowing like snow under a winter moon? There is no right or wrong, there is only your creativity. Let's begin with paint. Dip a brush lightly in white paint. We are not covering not whole pine cone, just the edge. We are giving it its nice snow if kissed effect. Slow, gentle strokes. Have you as if snow has softly fallen on the forest tree. The pine cone begins to look magic like winter capture in your hands. If you like shimmer and a touch of glitter, just a tiny sparkle enough to catch the light, enough to catch the heart. Take your beads, pearls, or tiny bells, place them carefully in the piece of the pine cone. Not too many, just enough to add charm. You can glue a small piece of greenery at the top, like a teeny evergreen leaf or a dried flower petal or mini red berry. These small touches make your craft look alive.